Hi, my name is Kevin Odera and I'm the founder and director at Wawa Kenya. So Wawa is a Swahili abbreviation meaning wanawake wavuvi or fisher folk women if you like in English. And Wawa was established in 2019 as a CBO or community based organization and later upgraded as an NGO or non-governmental organization. And since 2019, we've reached out to close to 600 women, and out of these 600 women, I would say like 80% of them are now running their businesses which they established. So at Wawa, we make sure that we offer these marginalized women with skills or technical skills in beauty, in poultry farming, in paper making, in soap and detergent, and